Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add extra authentication in login form in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Ultimate Member plugin. So this is our login form and we are going to log in with custom field. Now you see username, password, and this is our third field, nickname. So when all three information correct, then login successful. Now go to dashboard. So this is our login page and then you see nickname. So click on edit and then you see meta key, nickname. Now close. So when user enter all information, then login successful. So we are going to add custom code for our third field. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Now go to edit user and then you see nickname, we added staging. Now back to add plugin, insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So in custom code you see add filter, authenticate. So this is a function name and this is our get posted value, nickname -84. So this is a name attribute of our field on front end in login page. Now go to login page, right click on it and then click on inspect. So this is a nickname field in login page and then you see name attribute, nickname -84. So we are using this in custom code. Now close, back to code and then scroll down, you see store value and this is our meta key, nickname. Now go to edit user and then you see nickname, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, now expand and then you see name attribute here, ID, name. So this is a meta key we are using in custom code. Now close, back to code. So you can add your meta key in custom code according to your requirement and then you see if condition, if value not match, then show this error. Please enter correct information, nickname. So you can customize this error according to your requirement and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now go to login form and refresh the page. First we added username and password, not added nickname value and then click on login. Now you see please enter correct information, so you can customize this message according to your requirement. Again enter information. So now we are going to add wrong nickname. Now you see, so if all three values match, then login successful. So click on login. Again you see error. So we added password and then we are going to add nickname, staging. So this nickname already exists in user record. So if all three values match, then login successful. So click on login. Now you see login successful and then scroll down, you see user profile, you see first name, last name, nickname, staging. Now back to code. So in code you can add message according to your requirement and then you see meta key, nickname. So this is our name attribute on front end field in login page in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. So you can add meta key in custom code according to your requirements. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.